look at this. Look at this beautiful E-Type Jaguar, ladies and gents, as we're getting gas. Jeez Louise, you can just make coffee at the campsite, you know? You're that cold? You're a little princess. Alright. Totally. I'm not even cold at all. Let's totally. My vents are wide open. I could zip up my vents. I'm just so cool. Nice. But yeah, that's a beautiful car. So that's the reason why I turned on the little GoPro, just to show you guys this E-Type. We have arrived at the campsite. And look how cute this is. This is our campsite over here, number 10. It is taken. There's our bikes. Hello. Arrival to the campsite. Yo. Here we go. Campsite number 10. Now that we're registered, we're gonna ride there. And then we're gonna get beer and firewood. That's NYC Scrambler right there. He's a cool guy. He's a Mr. Cool Guy. Not me though. I'm just regular. Here we go. You should let him go first. Goop. There he is. Off-roading. Always a bit of off-roading here and there and everywhere. Beautiful. Yo. Nice. Hell yeah. Right here. Well done. Oh, hello.
We're finally camping.
I know, it's happening. Welcome to the Ducati Camping Club, plus a Yamaha.
You brought some kind of, I don't even know what.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is. Looks like a lawnmower to me.
Oh, damn. Starting already.
Yep. All right, ladies and gents. I'm going to the grocery store, to the deli, because we need some firewood and some beers. So now we take a left. There we go. So I emptied out. We set up our tents and campsite, and now with the empty bags, we have to go get some supplies. you know what I mean. Yep. There we go. They know where they're going, I think. The store is only like a mile away, so nothing. He knows where he's going. He's been here before. Look at these kids running the red lights. I mean, stop signs. Troublemakers. Look at that. Kids are... Kids are crazy. Sweet, sweet turns. Nice. Sweet. You could do it. There we go. DJ straps are a little wild, crazy. But we're not going far. We're only half a mile away. Hold on. There we go. DJ, your bag was literally like, look at it. Oh, it was like dangling so close to your wheel. You can't even see your tail light.
Oh god.
That was a fun little roads there.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden Jay was using his bike. He remembered how to twist the throttle. Look at that. We got art. Good shit. All right, let's go inside.